Howdy guys, back with Cruzermans Inventions. We have one of my biggest alternators here, which came out of a Nissan. It's a 110 amp alternator, and I just reconditioned another one exactly the same. The wire in it's bigger, it's 110 amps, and I'm running 24 volts to the center mag, which makes it 2640 watts. Let's get going. There's no freewheel on this, and it is a little bit dodgy because it's old. Once again, we have the cool app there, so we'll be able to keep an eye on that. Let's just check to see what we have on the clock. We have, 75. Let's turn that center mag on. Alright guys, let's get going. Yeah, so we will do a top speed run on this, and see what we can bring with this. Okay, here we go guys. Whew, she's touchy and going. Just aim and point. We forgot to push start. Here we go. 21. There we go. 21, 25. Picking up 28. 32, 35, 37, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Wow. Pulled 49 on here. Wow, that is not bad. So yeah. So it's running on 72 volts. That's really cool. Awesome stuff. Oh yeah, that is cool. Yeah, 54 Ks guys. She's a mean little machine. Alright, here we go. Fun guys. This bigger alternator, you can feel the difference in it. There's no lag, and really this is the alternator I should have had in my big bike. So 54 Ks guys, see? So that's not bad. It's cool. Oh yeah, one more look around this bike guys. 110 Nissan alternator. Not bad running, you know? Not bad guys. Have a look around here. So, is this faster than the alternator carcass bike? Yes, it is. The alternator carcass bike does about 45 Ks. Is this faster than my big bike? No. That does close to another 10 more Ks than what this one does. So, cool guys. Look at those handlebars, ain't they sweet? Woohoo! So this is the second best bike in the world, alternator bike. let's get a look at that gearing. BMX chain. So, pretty cool, guys. Awesome, guys. I shall see yous in another episode coming soon. Cool.